In the previous lecture, we were studying the conversion of a number, decimal number, into a binary number. As we have discussed that a number have two parts. One part is integer number or non-fractional number, and second part is fractional number. Both these numbers have different procedure of the conversion. In the previous lecture, we have studied the conversion of non-fractional or integer number in decimal number system into binary number system. Today, we will study the conversion of fractional number of decimal number system into binary number system. Let this decimal fraction number which we have to convert is n1 and the converted fraction number in binary number system is b minus 1, b minus 2, b minus m. And this number n is equivalent to n1 as we can see here, as we know that the v minus 1 will have the place value 2 raised to the power minus 1 and v minus 2 have the place value 2 raised to the power minus 2, and same other bits have the place value. So we can write it as, or we have used it in the previous lecture. This is the conversion of a binary number into the decimal number, and we are using it here in reverse way. Here, as n1 is the fraction number, so value of n1 is greater than 0 and less than 1, and the v minus 1, v minus 2 up to v minus m are the bits in binary number system that can have the values 0 or 1. Now we have to determine the values of the bits v minus 1, v minus 2, v minus 3. So let us take the procedure how to determine. First, v minus 1 is defined as v minus 1 equals to 1 if 2 and 1, the given fraction number multiplied with 2, have the value greater than or equals to 1, then v minus 1 have value 1. If 2 and 1 is less than 1, then the bit v minus 1 have the value 0. So we can determine the value v minus 1, and the next after that we have to decide the value nk plus 1. nk plus 1 is defined as 2nk minus b minus k. 2nk, suppose, or where k equals to 1, 2, 3. After determination of nk plus 1, then we have to determine we have to find v minus k, that is defined as v minus k equals to 1 if 2nk is greater than or equals to 1, or 0 if 2nk is less than 1. So suppose we have determined b minus 1. after that, and n1 is already known, then we find the value n2. n2 will be defined as 2 using this formula. n2 equals to 2 n 1, 2 n 1 minus v minus 1, and we can get the value n2. If this 2 n2, now we have to find 2 n2. If this 2 n2 is greater than or equals to 1, then with v minus 2 have the value 1. If it is less than 1, then it have the with v minus 2 have the value 0. So now n2 and v minus 2 are known. After that, using the same formula, we find the n3 and determine the value v minus 3, and so on. This process goes on. Now let us take an example. Convert the fraction number in decimal number system 0.859375 to the corresponding binary fraction. So this decimal fraction number n1 is given here, n1. Now we make a table k to nk, which give the information k to nk, v minus k and nk plus 1. So n1 is given for first, and this is a here nk plus 1 for the k. If k equals to 0, then nk plus 1 equals to n1, and the n1 value is given here. So for k equals to 1, 2 nk means 2 n1 equals to 1.718750. This value is greater than 1, so the with v minus 1 will be 1, and v minus 1 equals to 1, and next we determine nk plus 1 means n2 will be 2 nk minus v minus k. So we subtract 1 from this, we get 0.718750. Now for k equals to 2 n2, this is the n2, then 2 n2 will be this 1.437500. This is also greater than 1, so v minus 2 will be 1, and n3 using this formula, n3 will be 0.437500. For k equals to 3, 2 and 3 will be equals to 0.875000, and this value is less than 1, so v minus 3 will be equals to 0, and the n4 will be using this formula will be 0.875000. For k equals to 4, 2 and 4 equals to this is also greater than 1, then v minus 4 equals to 1, and v5 will be 0.750000. Again for k equals to 5, 2 and 5 equals to this 1.5, and this is also greater than 1, so v minus 5 will be equals to 1, and then n6 can be written using this formula as 0.5. For k equals to 6, 2 and 6 will be equals to 1. This is equals to, this value is equals to 1. So v minus 6 will be equals to 1 and 7 will be equals to 0. So this process is finished. So this process goes until the nk plus 1 equals to 0 or up to 7-8 bits determination. So we get the different values of v minus 1, v minus 2, v minus 3 and substituting these values into this formula. So this gives the conversion of a fractional number of decimal number system into binary fraction number. Here we can see that v minus 1 give the most significant bit, v minus 1 is the most significant bit and v minus 6 is the least significant bit. So the conversion of the given decimal fraction number will be equals to this binary fraction number. So this is the conversion of a fractional number of decimal number system into a binary number system.